Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Data with Divyanka. We have already started a series of Python visualization. Now we are moving our next visualization. So in this tutorial, we learn about the bar chart to compare the populations of Mumbai and Pune for the years 2015 to 2024. So let's get started. If you haven't seen my previous video, I am sharing the link in the description box. So let's start our tutorial. So now I am importing the library. So import numpy as np from matplotlib, import pyplot as plt. Okay, in this step we import the required libraries. Okay, numpy for numerical operations and the matplotlib pyplot module for creating visualizations. Now I'm moving to the second step. So setting plot style. Okay. So I'm going to write plt dot style dot use bracket 538. So what is a 538? Is setting the plot style to 538, which provides a specific visual style for the chart. Got it? So now our third step is defining data. Okay, so we have year, then population of Mumbai, then population of Pune. Okay, so defining the years and corresponding population for Mumbai and Pune. Now fourth step is setting up bar chart parameter. So this is very important, passing the parameters. So we first pass width, okay, is equal to 0.25 and indices is equal to np dot arange bracket len then year. Okay, then bracket complete. So width specifies the width of the bars and indices are the x locations for the bars. Okay, using plt.bar you can create two sets of bars representing the populations of Mumbai and Pune. The bar of Mumbai are shifted to the left by width. Okay, then width to avoid a overlapping with Pune bars. Okay, now we creating bar chart. So plt dot bar, then indices width comma population underscore Mumbai comma width is equal to width comma label, okay, is equal to Mumbai, then comma color. Now we define color, okay, blue. So next is Pune. So plt dot bar indices comma population underscore Pune comma width is equal to width comma label is equal to Pune comma color is yellow. Okay, color is equal to yellow. So using plt.bar, you create two set of bars. So our next step is customizing the plot. Okay, so customization is plt.title, then title is population comparison between Mumbai and Pune. Okay, then define x label is year, then plt dot y label is population in millions, then plt dot legend, then plt dot x ticks. Okay, ticks is equal to indices comma labels is equal to year bracket complete. The adding a title x and y axis labels, okay, then legend and customizing x axis to ticks to display the years. So now we are adjusting the layout and displaying grid. So plt dot type underscore layout bracket plt.grid bracket true. So plt.tight layout is optimizes the plot layout, and plt.grid true add grid lines to the plot. Okay, we use layout for the plot layout, optimizing the plot layout, and grid is specify the grid lines to the plot. So now displaying the plot. So this is the last plt.show bracket. Then finally, using plt.show, you display the side-by-side bar chart comparing the population of Mumbai and Pune for the specified years. Now you can run this code to visualize the data. And so now understand the visual. So this is bar chart comparing the population of Mumbai and Pune from 2015 to 2024. Each year is represented on the x-axis, while the x-axis shows population in millions. Then blue bars represent Mumbai population and yellow bars represent Pune population. The chart makes it easy to see population differences between two cities over the specified years. Then adding quick comparison and understanding. I hope you understand today's tutorial. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel for more tutorials and the vacancy updates and scenario based question. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.